Imagine yourself in this 2012 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: rear-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, fog lamps, privacy glass, rear defrost, sliding rear window, premium sound system and satellite radio. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.